In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can start affiliate marketing on Pinterest. The method that I'm going to show you in this video can bring you $100 per day, all the way up to $300 per day. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn how to get started on Pinterest. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pockets. And if you want to be added to this globe, simply reply or comment down below with your city, state, province, country, and I'll get you pinned. Now, the great thing with Pinterest is it's one of the largest platforms out there. However, most people use it wrong. Most people just assume that you're going to go out and create pins and then people are going to magically come and click on your affiliate links. Another segment of the affiliate marketing population wants you to spray and pray your affiliate links in different comment section. All of that's wrong. What you want to do is you want to be strategic with your time, strategic with your effort so that you can get maximum results. And just to show you that I actually do this myself, let's take a look at my Pinterest profile. All right, so what you see here is a combination of both static and video pins. Now, right now, video pins are really popular on Pinterest. They're basically trying to keep up with TikTok and YouTube and all the other short format videos out there. So you can see here that some of these videos are getting a decent amount of traffic. We're going to talk about how you can do that. Also, you want to make sure that you are creating static pins as well. One video that I saw out there said that you need to create one pin per day. Pinterest actually recommends that you should be uploading anywhere between 10 and 25 pins per day. So you want to make sure that you are looking and seeing what Pinterest is telling you to do and follow those rules and not what people are making up in their minds. But you can see here that basically, I upload in a few different ways, and I have this mostly automated, so I'm not actually physically uploading all of these pins every single day, and we're going to talk about all of that automation, exactly what you should do in order to get traffic, get people to buy your stuff, and opt into your mailing list. So as you can see here, this is my Pinterest profile. What we need to do first is we need to identify a niche. And for the purposes of this video, I'm just going to use affiliate marketing just to make it easy on everyone. Now, I want to show you something that's really powerful with Pinterest that most people don't realize. What most people don't realize is Pinterest is actually a search engine. People are going to Pinterest because they have a problem and they're looking for a solution. The other thing that people don't realize when it comes to Pinterest is they get a ton of their traffic actually from Google. So if you can identify problems, questions that people are asking on Google and Pinterest, you can get a ton of traffic. So if we take a look at this, I'm just going to copy this right here. And what you're going to see is you're actually going to see, I'm going to paste this into Google. What you're going to see is you're going to see Pinterest pins ranking near the top. If you can create content, as you can see here, Pinterest pins right there ranking near the top. If you can create content based on what people want to know, you can rank at the top of Google and you can get almost an infinite amount of traffic. So understand that Pinterest isn't just a social media platform like all of the other ones out there. Pinterest can be used strategically to make money online. All right, so let's go ahead and talk about it. First, like I said, we wanted to identify a niche. And what we're going to do is we're going to open up a website called answerthepublic.com just to help us get some keywords. But what we could do is we could do keywords over here, and then we could type in something like affiliate marketing like this, and click apply, click show results, and you can see all of the different keywords that people are asking when it comes to affiliate marketing over on Pinterest. Now, this is a paid keyword research tool. That's why we have Answer the Public over here. So we could type in the same thing, affiliate marketing, like this, and click search. And what we can do is we can start creating content based on the keywords that pop up. So if we look at data here, you're going to see a lot of keywords about affiliate marketing. If we take a look once again, you can see a lot of keywords, 736 keywords for affiliate marketing. The next step is to actually download these keywords. Now, it's important that you download these keywords simply because we need to use these keywords as headings and headlines for our Pinterest pin so that we can help ourselves with organic search results, okay? So what I would do here is I'd click on export, download them to my computer. Also do the same thing with this, come and click export. I'm not gonna register, but it's the same process. Now that we have that, what we need to be doing is a couple things. We need to actually create these pins. We're gonna use something called Canva. We are also going to do it so that we aren't manually uploading these pins, and we can actually do that for free. So what we need to do next is we need to go over to Canva. This is a free tool, and we're just going to type in Pinterest pins. Pinterest pins. Like that. Make sure you select 1,000 by 1,500. And as you can see here, there are a bunch of templates. What you want to do is you want to start off with a blank canvas. We're going to click on, let's just use this one right here because it's already up. We're going to customize this template. That's fine. And what I recommend that you do is create both video pins and static pins and include your keywords here. So where it says grow your following, I'm just going to open up this CSV file and I'm going to copy one of the affiliate marketing keywords that I found. Now, again, we're doing this to help us with keywords, okay? Now, before we continue on or while that's loading, I should say that most people do Pinterest wrong because they want to put their affiliate link right in the URL description. And I'll show you more in just a second. But this is the wrong way to go simply because once you upload a Pinterest pin, you can't change that URL. Pinterest is not fond of affiliate links, especially affiliate links to ClickBank. That's the best way to get your account shut down. What you need to be doing is you need to be sending people either to your blog, which we'll talk about in a moment, your YouTube channel, or a landing page, okay? If you look at my Pinterest profile, most of my pins go to one of those three sites. The other thing that you should do is you should have a website so that you can claim that website, okay? So if we go back up to my account here, you're gonna see that I've got my website claimed. In order to claim a website, you need a website. And you can get website, as you can see here, Alston Godbolt. When they click on that, that actually goes to my landing page. You need to get a website, okay? I have a link in the description. It goes to alstongodbolt.com/Bluehost. In order for you to claim a website, you need your own website. This is the best way to be successful with Pinterest. People will say, hey, can I do this without a website? Sure, but your success is going to drastically be reduced because you didn't want to spend the $3 per month on a website. Get a website so that you can take full advantage of Pinterest, okay? So now that that's out of the way, we are going to come back over to Canva, and I'm just going to grab one of my keywords here that I found. And now, guys, I want you to know I don't have an eye for design, so this is not going to look the most aesthetically pleasing. So just know that you want to spend some time making this look better. What we can do is come over to Elements, and let's say we are talking about making money. We can say make money like this. Click search, and then I'm gonna look for a video, and I'm just going to drag it. Now with Pinterest, there are free videos and there are paid videos. If you see this crown, it's a paid video. And what we can do is we could actually replace that just like that. And then, want to make sure that you are changing it to your website. So alstongodbolt.com, and then change the background. So make it look visually appealing. What we could also do too, as you can see here, this is what it would look like. What we can also do too is change the length of time of the Pinterest pin. But for now, we're just going to download this as an MP4, and that's going to download to your computer. So what I recommend that you do is spend 30 minutes, an hour, making a bunch of Pinterest pins. And then we're going to schedule them to upload so that we're not spending all day doing this Pinterest thing, okay? So the next step is to go over to a website called tailwindapp.com. Now you can actually start this for free. As you can see, it says sign up for free, where you are going to schedule your Pinterest pins to go out for you. We'll take a look at the pricing. As you can see, start for free. Free forever, one Pinterest account, one Instagram account. You can do 20 pins per month. If you can afford to invest in your business, you want to upgrade because, as I mentioned, Pinterest recommends that you do at least 10 pins per day. And if you're not doing at least 10 pins per day with Tailwind, you're going to have to manually do this, okay? So I'm going to sign in, and then I'm going to show you how to do this really simple. All right, so now that I'm signed in, if I scroll down here, you're going to see that I have a bunch of pins already scheduled for the next maybe 2 or 3 months, which is really cool. That means I don't have to continuously go back into Tailwind or Pinterest. My business is automated for the most part. Now we can see that my video popped up. This is what it looks like. But look, as you can see here, all my Pinterest pins are already done. What we'd want to do next is go over to upload media, and we're going to upload the Pinterest pins that we created in the previous step. Now that we have those uploaded, I'm going to click on drafts, and I'm just going to show you exactly what you need to do in order to get started with Tailwind. Now again, this works best if you have a website. If you don't have a website, your success rate is going to drop dramatically. So I'm just going to highlight a few of these, and then I'm going to click on bulk schedule. Okay. And so what we're going to do once again is we are going to take our keyword from the previous step. And this is what I love about Tailwind. Before you had to come up with a description. Now I can click on Ghostwrite for me. And then I'm going to say informational account, click generate descriptions like this. Now this isn't going to make any sense because this actually goes to a YouTube video. But as you can see, we're going to click on save description just like that. We're going to come down here and we are going to add it to our boards. Now, what you do need to do is you need to create boards. I didn't mention that in the previous step, but the way that Pinterest is set up, if you're not familiar with Pinterest, is it's kind of like Facebook, okay? On Facebook, you have walls where you can post content to. On Pinterest, you can have multiple boards, which are like walls, and you can post multiple pins. Now, ideally, you want to have different boards for different niches. For example, with affiliate marketing, I want to have one board for affiliate marketing. I want to have a separate board for make money online, a separate board for social media marketing, for example. Now, if we go back over to Tailwind like this, you can see I've got all of these boards already set up. It is automatically going to send out my Pinterest pin to these boards automatically. I can also check to have it done in my Facebook group. I can add in more content if I want to, and then I'm going to simply schedule this. Now, if we look, this actually will schedule it all the way through April. So I do this one time, spend about 30 minutes to an hour doing this a month, and this will be done for you. Simply next is click schedule post, and then your work is done. But it's very important that you get a website so that you can claim the website. If you don't claim the website, and you can't claim a Google Sites website. I don't think you can claim a free Wix website. You have to have your own website to get the most success out of it. And again, when you're doing this, you want to send people to your blog. You want to send people to your YouTube channel. You want to send people to your landing page. If you try and send people directly to an affiliate offer, that works in some instances, like it'll work on Amazon. However, you can't change those links. So what if you find a better affiliate program or you get kicked off of Amazon, for example? Then you have no recourse. That's a lost pin that you can't do anything with. But that's how you can get started with Pinterest. This traffic method can bring you to start $100 per day, but if you keep working at it, you can make $300 per day. Again, this isn't going to happen overnight. This takes consistent effort over weeks and in some cases months, depending on your niche, before you will find the level of success that you're looking for. But this will work for you as long as you continue on. Now that you know how to get started on Pinterest, click the first link in the description for my free affiliate marketing planners. Those planners are going to help you plan and organize your online business. In fact, one of the planners in there is a Pinterest planner so that you can make more money online. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbold.com/start to get your free planner today. Watch this video next because YouTube says it's going to help you grow your online business.